Are you familiar with the importance of aircraft cleanliness and hygiene? Ensuring high standards in this area is crucial for passenger safety and comfort. Let's explore how eAuditor streamlines the aircraft cleaning inspection process. The core objectives of aircraft cleaning inspections are to ensure cleanliness, verify compliance, and improve passenger experience. Inspections cover cabin interiors, galleys, lavatories, and exterior touchpoints. Maintaining audit-ready records is essential for regulatory compliance. Identifying cleaning deficiencies helps in addressing contamination risks. This process ultimately enhances brand reputation. Setting up a digital checklist in eAuditor is key. It includes aircraft registration, cleaning type, and inspection details. Responses are categorized as yes, no, or not applicable. Failed items require comments and photo evidence. Automatic corrective action creation ensures issues are addressed promptly. Passenger seating, floors, and overhead storage are critical inspection areas. Seats and tray tables must be clean and sanitized. Floors should be vacuumed and carpets odor-free. Overhead bins need to be empty and undamaged. Thorough cleaning of these areas ensures passenger comfort. Galley and lavatory hygiene are crucial for safety and comfort. Work surfaces in galleys must be disinfected and waste bins emptied. Lavatories require thorough cleaning and restocking of supplies. Ensuring these areas are sanitized prevents health risks. Cleanliness here reflects on overall passenger experience. Issues are classified as critical, major, or minor based on severity. Documenting non-conformances with photos ensures traceability. Assigning corrective actions to responsible teams promotes accountability. Verification of completion is necessary before aircraft release. This ensures compliance and safety. Conducting aircraft cleaning inspections with eAuditor ensures high standards and compliance. Digital inspections and corrective actions maintain cleanliness across the fleet. This process boosts passenger confidence and upholds airline reputation.